So let's march around the property and see what we got going as far as trim around the windows, paper, and lath, preparing for our installation next. All our scaffolding is up. Now we have the Jumbo Tex paper going in. And for those that don't know about the Jumbo Tex, that is a double layer of paper. That first layer that touches the cement on the stucco is actually made to crinkle. And that creates a moisture barrier where moisture can wick through and then go through that weep screed down below. So the Jumbo Tex is a great product, and the guys are working on drawing everything in. The owner opted for this hardy trim around each of the windows, and then the stucco will actually just finish even to that. That'll provide a little separation, a different detail. And we're going to overlay all the existing stucco here. That's going to get Foam Tech, which is a high polymer mortified mortar, basically. Very strong, adheres really well, and then they'll put a final coat over that. We're going to go with a fine sand finish on the stucco, upgrade it from the more coarse finish that's currently here. Guys are working on tying everything in. So today we have lath going up, and it's looking really good. Nice to see that lath going up, looking good. So first the guys get the Jumbo Tex paper, and then they do the lath. And then the final stage is sealing around everything, every opening after they do the lath. So that's already happening here. Anywhere where there may have been a little hole, they seal all that up. They'll seal around the outlet too. We got lath there. Guys are finishing up the lath at the top. It's all getting buttoned in and dried in, so hopefully we don't have any major rain, but if we do, we're gonna be protected. Love that TNG up in that eave. So all our eaves are covered in TNG now. Looks great.